Does your subject always have those weird, rough edges when you try to remove the background? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to get a clean and professional cutout. First, open your image in Photoshop. Simple, right? Now grab the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. This tool does a decent job of detecting edges, but as you'll see, it's not perfect. Now click on Select Subject at the top. Photoshop will automatically try to separate the subject from the background. But as expected, the selection isn't quite right yet. Don't worry, this is where the real magic begins. Now go to Select and Mask. This is where we fine-tune everything. First, choose Overlay as the view mode so you can clearly see what needs fixing. Now grab the Refine Edge Brush tool and carefully paint over the areas where you see sky. This tool helps Photoshop understand where the subject ends and the background begins. To make the edges even smoother, set Feather to 1. Increase Contrast to 10 to sharpen the selection and define the edges better. Once everything looks good, set Output to as Layer Mask and hit OK. Now we have a clean cutout with a non-destructive layer mask. Now let's take this cutout to the next level. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. Now hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask to load the selection again. Next, go to the adjustment layers and select Solid Color. Choose Black for now. Right-click on this new layer and select Create Clipping Mask. At this point, you'll notice that the effect applies directly to our subject, making it look seamless. But wait, we're not done yet. Click on the layer mask of the solid color layer and press Ctrl plus I to invert it. Boom. Now let's talk about color adjustments. Depending on your background, you might want to tweak the colors to make the subject blend in naturally. In my case, I'm choosing a shade that complements the background perfectly. And just like that, you've mastered precise background cutouts in Photoshop. So what do you think? Try this method on your own photos and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing Photoshop tricks. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.